don't talk much anymore. Not that he ever really did before. Where that cat's been, the things he's seen, none of us could ever want to dream. When the fire came down the mountain and the people left town, Doc was left behind hoping to get found. One can only guess, 'cause nobody knows exactly where it is that Doc's story goes. It's only speculation from here on out, 'cause that cat just simply won't open his mouth. The smell for days had changed in the air, and though he didn't know what it was, he knew he was scared. He'd run away somewhere to hide, but where can you go when it's burning on all sides? Doc's got one hell of a story to tell. We'll never know it, 'cause he doesn't speak very well. The wildest wind that ever did blow carried into town with it the fiery glow. Well, up the mountain was no direction to go. From the aftermath photos, down wasn't an option either, though maybe he went down into the creek right there across the street and found something like a drainage pipe. Nobody knows how that cat survived that night. But a few days later, and a few shades darker, that cat finally came down out of that holler, looking for some food. He found somebody he recognized, and he begged him with those pleading eyes to take him inside, fatten him up, and find out where his people went. They made a 6-hour journey down a 5-mile track just to get that cat back. 'Cause God knows Doc's got one hell of a story to tell. We'll never know it, 'cause he doesn't speak very well. The wildest wind that ever did blow carried into town with it the fiery glow. Doc's got one hell of a story to tell. We'll never know it, 'cause he doesn't speak very well. The wildest wind that ever did blow carried into town